Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a fan of being the coziest person in all the land, then you need this blanket hoodie. When I tell you that Bedsure knows what they're doing when it comes to comfy, this thing is incredible. I have this in the oversized size, and it is this amazing wearable blanket hoodie. So you've got a Sherpa lined pocket, Sherpa lined everything. The hood on this is amazing. You can sleep in this, you can run around the house in this. It is literally like being the most comfortable person on the entire planet. I even wear it outside while my dogs are playing, and I am warm, let me tell you. I love that they include this belt on it, so if you want to run around the house, you can cinch it up, and I just literally don't take this thing off all winter long. It is the most cozy, warm thing. It makes the perfect gift. I have given it many times, and everyone is obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. You really need to get one. So take it from me, if you want to be snuggly and warm, you need this blanket hoodie from Bedsure, and that's my point of view.